from this line, we have this tape measure lined up all the way down there. Let's see if one of these paper airplanes can make it down there. If not, this is a competition to see which paper airplane can go the farthest.
Yep.
Starting with this one. So that one landed at the farthest point, 131 inches. Plane 2. Did not go as far. Farthest point looks to be about 99.5 inches. Oh, and all these planes have a different design. This plane will probably not do too good. Okay, so it landed right about here, like about 97 inches. That one went the farthest, 100 inches on this tape measure.
The wind blew that tape.
After 288 inches, so 388. 388 inches, which is equivalent to 31 feet, about, give or take. And the last plane. I bet this one goes the farthest. It did go the farthest. None of them made it to the end. Made it to about 13.5 feet on this one. On the 24. We're at 37.5 feet. That concludes this video. So I have all the planes here from the competition. Some of them did not do as good as I thought they were going to do. Before I tell you the winner, I would like to just point out that this particular plane right here, whereas I'm pretty sure went the shortest length, is probably my favorite design. That doesn't mean anything in flight. So that's this plane, but yeah. So the winner was this plane.